This is how you can earn $5,100 in 1 month using ChatGPT 4. That's $169.75 a day. Go to the video's description and download this ebook. Don't worry, it's absolutely free and it is completely made by me, so you have all the rights to use it however you want. After you downloaded the PDF, open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat. If you don't have it, you can download it for free as well. The link is in my description. We will use this ebook as a freebie to earn money through affiliate commissions. Stay till the end as I will be telling you how you can double your commissions as well. Now scroll down until you see this Buy Now text, then click the Edit PDF option. Select the Buy Now option, then go to the Link tab. Click the first option, then draw a box around the Buy Now text. In the Link Action section, select Open a web page. In the Link Appearance section, select the link type to be an invisible rectangle and highlight Style to be None, then click Next. Then go to Amazon. In case you don't have an Amazon associate, you can easily create one. If you do have an associate account, you will see this bar at the top. Now search for the following product. In this case, it's vitamin A. Select the product that you find the most desirable. I will just choose this as it's recommended by Amazon. On the top left corner you will see Get Link option. Click the text option. Copy the short link, then go back to Adobe Acrobat and paste the link and click OK, and then whenever someone will click this link they will be redirected to Amazon. And when they will buy, you will earn a commission. Repeat this with all the products. I tried to make everything as easy as possible for you, but I'm sorry, adding Amazon associate links for you was not possible. Forgive me for that. This is the only part you have to put in some work. Now we have to promote this book, so for that choose any good email provider. There are many, but I will go with Auber. Click the Pages and Forms option, select Landing Page, and then click Create a landing page. I've already made one. Now customize the landing page according to your preference. Here I've replaced the Auber logo with the ebook photo. I've provided the link for downloading these photos. There are 4 kinds of photos, you can choose the one you like. After setting the photo, click this email submission box. Click the submission box, then below the thank you page there is a Dropbox menu. Click it and choose the custom URL option, then check the open in a new window box. Now go to your Google Drive and upload the ebook. Then select the share option. Change restricted to anyone with the link, then copy the link and select Done. Return to your landing page and paste this link in the custom URL box. Click Preview to see how it looks. Everything looks perfect. Now preview the page. Seems perfect to me. Go back to the editor and click Save and Exit. On the right-hand side, click the 3 dots and then select the Publish option. Copy the URL and save it somewhere. Click Done. Go to Quora. In case you don't have an account, you can easily make one. Go to Search and type something related to supplements. I will just search for supplements to lose weight. Now look for questions that have recent last followed. Click on any one of the questions, then click Answer. Now copy the question and go to ChatGPT and paste it here and click Enter. After the answer is generated, copy the answer and paste it here. After that, write. If you are interested in the supplements mentioned above, you can have complete information on them here. Or you can write anything you want to write. Now select the text, go to the bottom left corner and click this icon, then select the link option. Paste the link you saved in this box, then click Add. Now your link is added, and whenever someone will click on it, they will be redirected to your landing page. Now post the answer and you're ready to go. Now, whenever someone will read your answer and then click on the link, they will be redirected to your landing page, and after they have downloaded your ebook, when they will click on the Buy Now link and buy the supplement, you will earn a commission. You will also be benefited in case they don't buy, because now you have their email ID. Now to double your earnings, just go to an affiliate platform like Digistore24. Then you can promote other affiliate products from here. If you go to their marketplace section, you can see that in the health and fitness section, the affiliate products pay a huge commission. You can easily promote these products to your email list subscribers. As they are interested in weight loss, they will likely buy this product. So you are benefited in 3 ways by doing this method. First, you get the emails of interested people in weight loss. Second, you earn a commission when someone buys from your link. Third, You can promote additional affiliate products to your subscribers. That's all for now, and I wish you the best of luck on your journey to becoming successful.